Okay, so this is my hair. I just washed it and then I put some conditioner like 30 minutes. So this is how it looks now. And then because I feel like it's a bit dry, what I use is this. This is just a mixture that I made of some rice water, some conditioner, some oils, just to make my hair a bit nourished and a bit soft to the touch, so that I don't break anything. So I'll just keep on spraying it until I feel like it's wet enough. So I've been doing this afro for like a month now. I've been leaving my hair out because I just wanted to experiment. The initial plan was for me to cut my hair, and then I was like, no, let me just experiment with my hair and see what kind of styles I can go for. And I've only done one which came out good, very very good, but whoa, my hair shredded so much. That's why I'm in the bathroom today, because now my bedroom is a mess, so the bathroom will be easier to clean. So yeah, I just want to spray it and continue with the style. I feel like I want to do something different today, but yeah, I'll just see as I go. So my sister and I just started a new vlogging channel called Milk and Honey. So I'm using this now just to condition my hair. And so the problem was, there's a milk and honey, there's so many milk and honey channels, and we just thought ours would get lost in the videos. But the name Milk and Honey means so much to us because we are both born again Christians, and we wanted to make sure that just exploring God's best for us. So that's what my sister wanted me to emphasize on. It's what God is like, God's best for us, and we're just going to explore. So please guys, check out our channel. We have, I think, one video out, so we just started. But so I'll be looking over there because my mirror is here. I'm just going to create a line. So the videos that we'll be creating, it's more along the lines of, it's just going to be a lot of vlogging. So we're just going to experience restaurants and accommodation. So we'll have sister vacations. Like we are 3 siblings and all girls, so it's going to be just us girls. Sometimes my older sister won't be able to come because she stays in Polokwane. But with our first trip, we just made sure that everyone is here so that we can both enjoy our first experience together. So with the first stay-in or staycation, I should say. So with the first staycation, we will be together, but with this first restaurant experience, will be just me and Mulebore. So guys, please check out our channel and see what we get up to, and give us, just share our videos and our name there on Instagram if you'd like to. And yeah, I hope you guys will like what we come up with. So I just want to make a straight line because it's a struggle for me. Okay, move back a bit. So this is what my sister did. She helped me out because I was struggling a bit. So what I use is this comb. I know a lot of you have it, so don't mind the bending, because the other time, the first time, no, the third time I tried to do some styles, it broke the comb. That's how dry my hair was. So until I got a consistency that is good for my, like, the wetness of my hair, I was able to maneuver how to, you know, how to pull my hair and make it easier to style and to comb it out. So what I'm doing is just pulling it out, pulling the knots out. So the best way for me that I usually do is just section out and hold it like this and brush it out like so. Pull out all the knots so that it's not painful, especially for kids. I've realized, like, this is the best method to use your brush and not to hurt the kids' scalp, because you know they're very tender-headed. So yeah, so section another area again. This is where it was. This is what I did, and I'm just going to use this other part just to brush out the ends and the knots. And it's not painful at all if I do this technique. So this is how it is, and I'm just going to bring it together. See how when I brush it, it makes it so much easier to bring it all together and tie it. Hope you can see what I'm talking about. So what I'm going to do is just brush the hair up and then put it in a bun. So I'll be using this hair bands or hair ties. Yeah. So I think they're like, I'm not sure, more than 15 here. So I'm just going to use that. Tie my hair really tight, and then put it in a cute little bun. And then once that is done, I'm going to take this brush and just brush my hair inwards towards the bun. So that's the first bun, so cute. Okay, so I want to do my back area. I think I should turn for this so you guys could see what I'm doing. So now what I'm doing is just pulling out the bun at the back. So this one is perfect for me now. And what I'm going to do is use this Eco Gel and just a tiny bit. I'm not going to take much, just a tiny bit, and then use it on my hair. So this is the next product that we'll be using. It's a holding spray. I'm sorry that it's just overexposed, but yeah, this is the spray that you use. So So the next step for me now, my hair is a bit curly. I don't know how that is possible, especially if I cut it. It becomes so curly and I love it. Love your curls. So I just took a small pea-size gel that I used. And I want to take my old toothbrush. I'm going to and then again my mirror is there. You guys can see what I'm trying to do. So I'm just going to take small and just bring it inside. You see what I'm talking about? Yeah. So now you can see how the baby hairs are being formed. So you can basically just use whatever you have at home, especially with this toothbrush situation. I see a lot of people buying that baby hair thingy. I'm like, guys, literally have that in your house. You can just buy it, a clean one, or use an old one and just make sure that you purify it and make sure that nothing is left behind. So yeah, how I do it. I love doing this, guys. I enjoy it so much now. I don't like to do too much in the baby hair situation, but yeah, that's how I usually do it. So I'm just going to take a tiny bit more just to make this one lay down, because I just disturbed it a bit. So yeah. Then remember, I have second bun over here, and this I'll show you guys later once everything is dried. So I think that is done. And then this again is a brush that I brushed with this one, just to keep everything in and defined. What I like doing is going back with a hair tie and making sure that I tied very tight, especially after we did the gel. I think this one I'll just leave it, so I don't know what you guys think. I think it's fine like this. So I'm going to take this. This is my holy grail. It's just an ordinary scarf and it's very thin and light. So I just put it right there, like so, and wrap it all around. The next one I'll use a second one because I'm extra like that. I'm just going to cover everything. And I'm going to come in the middle like so. Try to come and tie this one. That is it. So I want to let it dry for I don't know how many hours, and then I want to come back and do the final thing. So I forgot to show you guys, I'm going to be using bobby pins to secure this to the one at the back. So yeah. So yeah guys, this is the final look of the hair. And I just put up this pin just to make it a bit more, you know, girly and glow. And so I hope you liked this video guys, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and I'll be sure to make more videos of natural hair. And then yeah, share this video with anyone who's interested in growing the natural hair but don't know which style to go for. So yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.